Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on dividing algebraic fractions. To divide algebraic fractions, the following rules are useful. Number 1, turn the second fraction upside down and change the division sign into a multiplication sign. Number 2, multiply the numerators. Number 3, multiply the denominators. And number 4, simplify if possible. Let's have a look at some examples and see how this works. Example 1, m over 5 divided by k over 3. The first point says that we turn this fraction, which is the second fraction, upside down and change the division sign into a multiplication sign. So, k over 3 becomes 3 over k. The division sign is changed to multiplication. And now we just go through the normal process that we saw in the previous video where we multiply algebraic terms together. M times 3 is 3m. 5 times k is 5k. So that's the answer. Example 2, we have this term divided by this term. We turn this upside down, that gives us 10h over 6w, and we change that division sign into a multiplication sign. Now we go through the normal process. 3m times 10h is 30mh. 5k times 6w is 30kw. 30 over 30 cancels down to give you 1, so we're left with mh over kw. And there it is there. Now, let me just go back to this line here very quickly. Notice we went 3m by 10h gives us 30mh, and 5k by 6w gives us 30kw. You might choose to cancel first. You might choose to go 5 into 5 goes once, 5 into 10 goes twice, 3 into 3 goes once, 3 into 6 goes twice, 2 into 2 goes 1, and 2 into 2 goes 1. So that will also leave you with 1 over 1. So you can cancel first if you like. You don't have to multiply the numerator and denominator straight away. If you see an opportunity for cancelling first, you're welcome to do that. Example 3, we have this term divided by that term. So when we go down to this line, we have turned this fraction upside down, and we've changed that sign to multiplication. When we multiply the numerators, we get that. When we multiply the denominators, we get that. When we cancel 60 over 45, we get 4 over 3. K squared over k to the power of 5. That leaves us with k to the power of 3 in the denominator. And m to the power of 7 over m to the power of 3 leaves us with m to the power of 4 in the numerator. So that's the answer. You can also choose to, instead of multiplying the numerators and the denominators like we did here, you can choose to cancel first. 5 into 5 goes once, 5 into 10 goes twice, 3 into 6 goes twice, and 3 into 9 goes 3 times. You can choose to do that if you like. That's up to you. So this video has given us some examples, and we've demonstrated how to divide algebraic fractions together. And all you do is follow these rules. Take your time, and you should be okay.